nutrition. There's a reason we're doing this first. No amount of pain, effort, sacrifice, organisation or discipline in your workouts can cancel out a lack of attention to this part of your life. Remember that 70% of your body shape is made in the kitchen. You can't out-train a bad diet. Rather than even use the word diet, which implies that there's a beginning and an end to this, let's think of this as defining your nutritional lifestyle. Suddenly restricting yourself to certain foods for the rest of your life probably isn't going to last. In these early stages, it'll be helpful for you to analyze what you're doing on a daily basis so that you can recognize whether or not that is helping or hindering you to reach your goals. In most cases, once you make a few tweaks to what you're already doing, you can entrench new nutritional lifestyle habits and focus more on your training. Until that point, you're at risk of throwing loads of time, money, and energy into a wishing well and being left wondering where you went wrong. For a multitude of reasons, it's impossible to know for sure without some honest personal insight and reflection. Please consider subscribing to the channel and hang tight for the next video.